Good evening, viewers, and warm welcome on the HRM world. My name is Manoj Kumar Chaturvedi, and today I am here in this very second video. And in this particular video, we are emphasizing on some factors. Those are really important in that time. And as you see that the importance of the communication skill is rapidly growing in the society, and each and every individual, whether we are student or businessman or entrepreneur or anyone, we this time we are doing the competition with other people. And in order to get our livelihood like jobs, as you can see this time the unemployment ratio is rapidly uh, growing very rapidly, and in that challenging time we are looking out for the jobs and all. And in order to acquire the jobs, we have greatest requirement of the communication skill. So how can we grow up that particular skill? Today I am here to tell you through that particular HRM world's प्लेटफॉर्म। जैसा कि आप इस समय देख पा रहे हैं हमारी सोसाइटी में देर इज वन पोस्ट एंड 100 कैंडिडेट। एक पोस्ट होती है, उसके लिए हमारे पास वी हैव अ थाउजेंड्स ऑफ द कैंडिडेट, दे आर जस्ट डूइंग very rapid competition with for that particular jobs. As recently you saw that there was one post, there were limited seats for the UPP, and there were many candidates, approximately 50 lakh people applied for that particular job. So in that challenging time, what are the skills, वो ऐसी कौन सी skills है? By adopting those skills we can very easily we can get the jobs in पर्टिकुलर सेक्टर्स। सो फॉर टेलिंग ऑल दी थिंग्स, इन्हीं सारी चीज़ों के इम्पोर्टेंस को बताने के लिए आज हम यहाँ पे हैं। एंड आफ्टर एंड वी आर गोना टू टेल यू द इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ द कम्युनिकेशन स्किल। एज यू कैन सी देयर we have written down on that board some essential factor, those are very important for all of us. जैसा कि आप इस समय देख रहे हैं, whether we talk about the medical sector, इन मेडिकल सेक्टर देर आर द ह्यूज अपॉर्चुनिटीज। आज बहुत सारी संभावनाएं हमारे लिए हैं, क्योंकि देर आर मेनी पीपल इन द मेडिकल सेक्टर, दे आर जस्ट अर्निंग प्लेंटीफुल सब्सटेंशियल अमाउंट ऑफ मनी, बहुत सारा पैसा कमा रहे हैं जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ देयर स्किल। बिकॉज इफ यू सी इन द मेडिकल सेक्टर देर इज अ वन पोस्ट दैट इज द MR, एंड दे आर जस्ट गोइंग शॉप टू शॉप, जस्ट दे आर मीटिंग विद टू द डॉक्टर्स एंड दे आर जस्ट कन्विंसिंग हिम। डॉक्टर्स के पास जाते हैं एंड दे आर जस्ट डूइंग द प्रमोशन ऑफ देयर प्रोडक्ट। वो उनका जो प्रोडक्ट है, बिकॉज दे हैव जस्ट मेड द मोनोपोली ऑन मैनी प्रोडक्ट्स, एंड दे आर जस्ट डूइंग द एडवर्टाइजमेंट ऑफ देयर प्रोडक्ट्स, एंड दे आर अर्निंग very substantial amount of money, very huge amount of money by just doing so, because in one day, एक दिन में वो बहुत सारे ऐसे डॉक्टर से मिलते हैं, कंसल्ट करते हैं, उनको अपनी फीडबैक देते हैं, अपने प्रोडक्ट की मार्केटिंग करते हैं। बाय डूइंग सो दे आर अर्निंग वेरी ह्यूज अमाउंट ऑफ मनी। सो कम्युनिकेशन स्किल इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर द मेडिकल एस्पायरेंट। if you want to earn substantial amount of money through the medical sector, for doing so we need that particular skill very much. If we talk about the second sector, वो दूसरा वो कौन सा सेक्टर है? by adopting that sector we can earn very substantial, very ample sufficient amount of money, that is the education sector. This time you see that since the corona pandemic के बाद से अभी आप जैसा कि देख रहे हैं, not only in the India but also in rest of the world, this time after the corona pandemic there are many online classes that are the circulating this time. Those are the functioning, and very seriously there are many mentor, many teacher, they have been teaching through the online platforms. So for teaching online, to become the professional teacher, to become the perfect proficient teacher, we need that particular skill, that is called the communication skill. Because for teaching we need to speak just before the camera, just before the students, and also when we are teaching the online, at that time also our communication does very huge matter. So for the education sector, we have requirement that particular skill very much. If we talk about the third particular sector, that is the media sector. जैसा कि आप देख रहे हैं इस समय जो मीडिया का एक सेक्टर है वो इस समय एक पूरे भारत में एक क्रांति सा ला रहा है। वी कैन सी द रेवोल्यूशन, द फायर, द वेरी जाइगेंटिक फॉर्म ऑफ द मीडिया. There are many YouTuber, they have been very seriously working for the media, and there are many opportunities, big opportunities as well in the media sector this time, and that sector is also growing very rapidly because there are many chances that are just interconnected with the media sector. And once we learn that particular skill, we can speak very confidently going to the media, and we can just sold out our content, and we can earn very easily name and fame through that particular platform that is known as the media sector. Third, if we talk about the sport field, in sport field we have a huge margin for the earning. स्पोर्ट फील्ड में भी हमको काम करने के लिए बहुत सारी अपॉर्चुनिटीज हैं, जैसा कि आप देख सकते हैं इन द स्पोर्ट फील्ड देयर आर मेनी कमेंटेटर, दे आर डूइंग कमेंट्री, एंड बाय डूइंग कमेंट्री लाइक अ वेरी फेमस कमेंटेटर लाइक नवजोत सिंह सिद्धू, एंड देयर आर मेनी कमेंटेटर, दे आर जस्ट मेकिंग मार्क. ऐसे लोग भी आज कमेंट्री के फील्ड में और स्पोर्ट के फील्ड में जाकर के बहुत सारी चीज़ों के लिए दे आर जस्ट स्पीकिंग like they are commenting, and they are making very huge amount of money, whether we are just doing commentary in the kabaddi, or whether we are doing just commentary in the cricket, and there are many games, and in all these games people are after doing having doing commentary, they are earning very huge amount of money. After that, if we talk about the print media, this time as you see that there are many people, they have been very seriously engaged in the print media. Print media, as you know that this is a very growing sector because all the content for making videos, for making anything, for making a script, we need to write that down at particular paper and all that. So like that the importance of the newspaper is growing very rapidly this time in the rest of the world, whether we become the songwriter or a script writer, many things we can do in order to earn uh, substantial amount of money. After that, if we talk about the electron media, in electron media, as I just emphasized that we can become the columnist, we can become the local correspondent, or we can become the media person, we can become the news reader, or we can become the news director or news editor. There are lot many opportunities also we have in the field of the electron media. After that, I am just moving ahead, taking a step ahead, and after, if we talk about the banking sector, that sector is also growing very rapidly. If we want to become the CEO or anything in any big huge bank like renowned bank, so for doing so our communication skill is very important because that sector is also very growing. Along with that, अगर हम बात करें आज शेयर मार्केट की, शेयर मार्केट इज आल्सो ग्रोइंग वेरी रैपिडली, एंड देयर आर मेनी पीपल even in that particular time they don't know what is the importance of the share market, because that if we have knowledge about the communication skill or English, or if we have a very good command over the economics, then we can go through the share marketing, and also we can earn very huge amount of money in that particular field as well. Friends, with that I am just stepping ahead on some other sectors which are just very important for us. So in that in A grade jobs, जैसा कि आप इस समय देख सकते हैं, very few people have A grade job क्योंकि competition is very high. It's like very tight competition this time going parallelly among the students. So in order to beat the CAT exams, the weightage of English is very high क्योंकि in these exams if you see the comprehension of the English, that is very important, and without communication skill that is also absolutely impossible. So from that perspective as well, communication skill is very important. After that, if we talk about the NDA exams, National Defense Academy. This exam, very few people are just aware about these exams. And for the preparation of these exams, we have to go through the GD, that is also known as the group discussion. So, and in order to beat that particular GD or the group discussion, we need to very good command over the communication skill, because there are 5 or 6 round of the GD or group discussion. That is also absolutely impossible without the perfect command over the communication skill. Along with that, if we talk about the administration, in administration, if you see the importance of the administration is also very high, very huge in India. And if we want to become द स्किलफुल एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन, अगर हमको प्रशासन में अपनी मजबूत पकड़ बनानी है, लाइक दैट वी वांट टू बिकम द perfect administrator. So for doing that as well, we need to communicate, as we can see in these exams. Administrators are often facing the media, and media is always raising many questions just before them. And if we don't have communication skill, that also we can't become the perfect administrator. So from that angle as well, communication skill is becoming the backbone of that particular activities. After that, we are stepping on the another factor, which is the law practicing. जैसा कि आप जानते हैं, इस समय द लैंग्वेज ऑफ द हाई कोर्ट, सुप्रीम कोर्ट एंड हाई कोर्ट इज वेरी लीगल. हमारे जो सुप्रीम कोर्ट है या हमारी जो हाई कोर्ट है, इसकी जो लैंग्वेज है दैट्स वेरी कॉम्प्लिकेटेड एंड वेरी लीगल. विदाउट द प्रॉपर अंडरस्टैंडिंग ऑफ द कम्युनिकेशन स्किल, वी कांट डू द प्रैक्टिस इन दीज कोर्ट्स. क्योंकि ऐसे कोर्ट्स में विदाउट द क्लू, विदाउट द परफेक्ट डायमेंशन ऑफ द इंग्लिश, we can't go in that field as well in the further law practicing, because the advocate and lawyer are the very costly in these courts. And if we have the passion to become the lawyer or the advocate, so from that angle this practice is very important. And after that, if we talk about the film industry, in the film industry, if you see the director, the producer, the actor, the actress and lot more, they are also without the communication skill. They just can't go before the camera and they can't speak. From that angle, in the film industry, if we want to become the face of the public, so it becomes very important for all of us. After that, if we talk about the news anchoring, in the news you see that every day there are many beautiful anchors. They are coming with their huge preparation, their large preparation, and they are doing prolonged debate like that. They are doing debate for the hours, like 45 minutes. And if you just estimate their value, their importance, that just for the 45 minutes or 30 minutes, they are getting 5 crore, 6 crore package annually. That is also very, very costly if you are passionate about working with the news and all. So I have just told you the importance of the communication skill in the various field. These fields are creamy layer of the society, because going in these fields are absolutely impossible just because of the communication skill. So friends, just lit the fire of the communication skill like English in you, and you will be just making happen your dreams very shortly, friends. So for doing all that, we have just started that particular initiative, and इस initiative के माध्यम से we will be helping you out, and we will be giving you free of cost classes every day, every night, 24/7. We are here to help you all. So thank you very much for guys for watching that particular video. Please share this video and